Assalamualaikum, dear lovely brothers and sisters. Welcome back to English with Mizan. How are you all doing today? I hope you are doing fit and fine. And I'm also as red as rain by the grace of Almighty Allah. So, guys, have a look at the view. It's really, really awesome. It's really outstanding. Have a look at the view. Wow, over there, as you can see behind me, the sun is getting down right now. And over there, there are so many houses. And that actually my countryside. Wow, have a look at the view. It's really, really fantastic, incredible. I really like it. That's why today I've come here and having the moment. It's actually afternoon right now. So guys, one thing I'm gonna share with you that as you can see behind me over there, there are lots of trees, and over there is a road. Actually, there is a road that is Bangladesh borders route. uh, Next to Myanmar. Actually, from here, we can go to Myanmar very easily. It's a walk in the park to go to Myanmar from this border. It takes 2 hours rowing boat ride to go to Myanmar. And sometimes local go to Myanmar by swimming, not only by rowing boat, they also go to Myanmar by swimming. Actually, they used to go to Myanmar by swimming for catching fishes, for catching fish secretly. Now civil war is going on in Myanmar. That's why local don't go there. Actually, they used to go to before having the civil war. So, guys, as you can see behind me, over there, there's a man. Actually, he is catching crops. Do you know crops? Like these crops. Actually, he is catching crops. And over there is a post. Actually, there is a BGB post over there. There must be 3 or 4 BGB. In one post, there are 3 or 4 BGB. They stay there. Actually, their duty like they have to stay uh, whole day and whole night. They're actually working hard for our country. They're actually working hard for our protection. And so dear lovely brothers and sisters, look at this water. Actually, here different types of fishes, especially shrimp fishes, are cultivated here. And when I was child, actually, when I was about 10 years old, maybe 10 or 11 years old, at that time, I used to come here with my friends, and we used to swim here. And sometimes we used to catch fishes secretly without knowing any owner. Wow, it's really, really fantastic, incredible. Wow, have a look at the view. So now I'm going home. So dear lovely brothers and sisters, as you can see, there's a crow. There's a crow speaking. Actually, this is the place. This is the place where buffaloes stay. As you can see behind me, here buffaloes stay. Now there is no buffalo. Now there is no buffalo because they're maybe in river, and they come here. They come here uh, at maybe in the evening. In the evening time, they come here and they stay at night in that place. As you can see, in that place. So, guys, as you can see on my left, there is a paddy field. Actually, it's not very vast paddy field. It's somewhat big. So, as you can see, Have a look at this paddy field. It looks somewhat yellow, and it seems to be becoming suitable for cutting. And have a look at this paddy field. In this paddy field, in the middle of this paddy field, some places were cut, and some places are still remaining. And over there, there is a street, and there different types of vehicles are available. For example, bus, TNG, truck, uh, rickshaw, and so on. Wow, as you can see, there are there are so many crowds. As you can see, there are so many crowds. After this road, after this road, there is a small canal, not very small. There is a small canal, and after this canal, there is a big river, and then Myanmar. So, guys, I don't want to make it more longer. Actually, I'm going home. I have a chore. I have a work at home. That's why I'm going home. I don't want to make it more longer. Stay well and safe, and take care of yourself. Pray 5 times. Allah Hafiz.